Hey guys, it's Craig with Swappy's Videos, and today what I'm going to go ahead and show you is just a quick, short few clips and some photos from my daughter, wife, and I's trip to Hanging Rock State Park. I hope you enjoy. At Hanging Rock State Park with the Lower Cascade Waterfalls. Look at that, guys. Go ahead and actually head upstairs. We're gonna actually head to the top. Ashley and my daughter Lauren are already heading up. Gonna take a little bit of a journey around Hanging Rock State Park. But got some photos of the waterfall. I'm going to go ahead and share with you guys right now. Hey, Lauren.